Today we're going to make 4th of July slime.
What you'll need is some glue, some silver stars, some red and blue food coloring, and a bowl.
And you'll need Nickelodeon slime activator, and then you'll also need saline solution. And I just use this because it works together. And then you'll need a spoon. So let's get started.
So I'm gonna just pour the glue in.
And it doesn't really matter how much glue you guys use. We're just using the 2 big bottles. And then I'm gonna do the activator. Just follow my amount. So I have a big spoon. And then you can use whatever activator first. If you have this, it's fine if you don't. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm just doing a couple drops of both activators on the spoon.
We would recommend this one because that makes it more come together.
And then you'll just dump that one in. And then you'll also bring this one in. And then you'll just dump a little bit of that on the spoon. And then pour it in. And then mix, and then you keep doing that until it comes off of the sides of the bowl.
Hope it works for you guys at home. So we've made lots of slime recipes, and this is the best one we've ever made by far.
And yes, it is awesome. And so I'm mixing it a little bit more, and then we'll spread it out on the table, and then we're gonna dye it.
Red and blue, and just leave one white.
Just wanted you guys to know that if it's still sticky, just keep on adding any activator you have in it, and I promise it is gonna work out. And it might be a teeny overactivated, and that kind of means just it's not as stretchy, but that's okay. It will still work out as like ours.
So we're just gonna put some food coloring, and I'm starting with red, she's starting with blue.
Just put 1 or 2 drops in.
Yes.
Because you don't want to dye your hands too. And also just kind of fold it in as you go, and then start picking it up.
Yeah, just like roll it in.
And this is also on wax paper. Finished dyeing our 2. Now I'm just gonna pour a couple of these shiny stars in the white part. And then you can kind of just mix that in. This is how it turned out. It is so cool. And mine's mixed together and Ellie's is separate. Awesome! Like our video, subscribe, and hit the bell. We will be posting every Wednesday.
And comment below and tell us if you made one of these slimes.
Bye-bye!